Okay, so hi friends. So a majority of you asked me how did I manage to learn the Hindi number names. So this is just my understanding of how to learn it. So let me go over the pattern to you quickly. Okay. So the first thing is, okay, there is no shortcuts to learn from 1 through 20, as you can see here. Okay. So let me just go over those names once for you. So it's going to be एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, नौ, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So for this, if you ask me if there's any shortcut for the first 1 through 20, there is an old song called Ek Do Teen that will help you to learn from 1 through 13. Okay, so if you don't know, just go and watch the old song called Ek Do Teen in Hindi. So
Can
after
I
that,
tell it? Because I know that one.
oh yeah,
एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात आठ नौ 10 11 12 13.
thank you, Neha. So that was the song for the 1 through 13 numbers. And after that, we have from 14 to 20 also you need to memorize it, okay? So it's going to be 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. So from 1 through 20 you have learned. So basically, let me compare this with English language. Okay. So in English, once you learn from 1 through 20, what do? You have to learn the tense names, right? So let's go the same way. So it's going to be 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Okay. So this is the next bit that you'll have to learn. So let me repeat it once more. So it's going to be 10, 20, 30, 40,
40
50,
50
60,
60
70,
70 70
80,
80
90,
90.
100.
So
Good.
then why is there coming like a eek there?
Okay, it's a ek saw. Normally people will say 100 or they'll say 100. So it is ek saw or saw. Okay. So once you're done with this, how do we do in English language? We know till 20. Then we start counting like 21, 22, 23,
23.
like that, right? So here also it's almost similar, right? So if you know 20, you should be able to count from 21, 22, right? So what is 20 called? 20 should be called as B's,
Bees.
right? So normally we will expect the number to be like B's, एक, B's, do, like that, right? But it's not like that. So if you want to count the series of 20, we have to use a word called is. Okay?
Oh.
Yes. And so should we say is, ek, is, do? No. It's just reverse. In Hindi, we don't say 21, 22, they say 1 and then 20. So they read the number backwards. So here, if you see 21, how you're going to name it as, what did I say for you? The 20 series is called as E's. Okay. So 21. So hereafter, you will read all these numbers from backwards. If you want to say 21, you have to read it from backward and say ik, is, ba, is, te, is. Okay, so let's me do this part alone. Okay, so did you get an understanding? So hereafter, after 20, it's not like English where we go from left to right. We are going to read the number from
Right to left.
right to left. That's right. Okay, so you might be wondering now. Okay, so one is called as
Yeah.
yek, right? But here we are saying something called ik, right? So again, the next thing that you need to remember is after 20, 1, 2, 3 will be called as ik, ba and te. lesser than 50. For all numbers that is less than, that is from, if you can see here, the 20 series to 30 series and 40 series, right? These are numbers before 50. So all of these should be called as ik, ba and te for 1, 2 and 3. But when you go more than 50, it should be ek, ba and tir. You got it? So here if you can check it here, you will know. For all the ones, 21. I told what is 20 series called is series, right? So we said ik is, ba is, te is. Okay, this is 20 series, right? But here, okay, here everything will be beginning as ek, ba and tir. But I've highlighted this value here. Okay, for 73, though it's falling in the above 50 range, 73 will not be called as tir hatar, it will be called as ti hatar. Okay, that R sound will not come there. That's what you have to note in ik, ba and te. So what did we see? We learned from 1 through 20. Yes.
Okay.
And when we are going above 20, that is 21 through 30, like in English, we'll read from left to right, but in Hindi, we should name it from right to left. What is one called after 20? It is called as ik. 2 is called ba.
Ba.
And 3 is called
Ti.
te.
Te.
So you should read from right to left now for these Hindi numbers. You should say ik. And what is the 20 series called? Is. So you will say ik is, ba is, te is. Okay. So now we learned 21 through 23. Okay. Now, so it's not enough. So from this, what did you understand? You understood that if I just know 20, I can't count 21, 22, 23, right? I have to know what is 20, that is B's, and I should know what name should 20 series be called. So 20 series is being called as E series. Okay. So you have to know that. So now let's learn every other alternate series name. That is, we learned B's is 20. But when you count from 20 through 30, you should use the word called E's. So similarly, 30 is an exception because it's going to use the same name. It's easy actually for us. So it is going to use these for 30 as well as to count from 30 through 40 also it's going to use these. So they both match each other well and good. And for 40 it is called charlies. And for counting purpose you use talis. Okay. And 50 is called pachas. And for counting purpose you can use van or pan. Okay, van or pan. And 60 is called as sat, and for counting purpose you'll use sat. 70 is called sattar, and for counting purpose you use hattar. 80 is called, 80 is called asi, and for counting purpose also you use asi. So that is a little bit matched there. So, and 90 is nabbe, and for counting, okay, for counting we will be using yanve. Okay, so yanve. Let me just edit this. Okay, so yanve. So yes, and 100. I just wrote the name of these things. I think I'm gonna remove that out. Okay. So what did we understand from here? Though we learned the tense names of it like these, cholis, pachas, they also have a way to count the series going forward, right? So that is the 30 series should be called as these only. The 40 series should be called as thalis. The 50 series should be called with van and pan. And the 60 series should be called with sat. 70 series should be called with hattar. This one doesn't even have a record. Right? Yeah. And okay, so where were we? The 70 series is called as Sattar, but while counting, you should count it with Hattar. And so the only thing that we learned here was the 30s and the 80s series are going to have the same names. Yes, so you're okay with that, right? So now let's go back. So what did we learn here? For counting less than 50, 1, 2, and 3 more than should be called as ik, ba, and te. Above 50 it should be called as yek, ba, and tir, except for 73. Okay, so that is done now. Okay, so now we'll go to this fourth row. That is the number that is ending with 4. Okay, so here again, yes, so in this part again, less than 50 we follow a pattern, and more than 50 we follow a pattern. So what is that pattern? So 24, right? So what did I say? We're going to tell the numbers from back, and this 4 will always be called as chow, right? I mean, I know 4 is char, but whenever you see this one, this is chauda. Okay, so why was this called as chauda? Because chow was representing 4, and this da was taken from this das. So it becomes 10 and 4 is 14, so that's why it's called as chauda. Similarly, 24. 4 is chow, yes, and the number that is less than 50, right, will be using the main name itself. So chow bees. You might be thinking, she told me e's for everything, and here we got bees. So that's the reason the 4 series is actually using the main name itself. So it becomes chow bees. Now let's go to 34. 34. So 4 is again chow, yes, and this 30 series is called tees. So both are same, so no problem here. So it will become chow tees. You might have been wondering why n is coming. So whenever you're mixing chow with a t beginning letter, that n pops out. So yeah, that is a blending thing. It helps, it facilitates the blending there. Okay, instead of saying chautis, it's like chauntis. So it becomes helpful there. And now 44, right? So 4 is chow, and you have to blend it with chowlis. So chow chowlis, right? So even I don't have an explanation for this. So just assume that when you say 2 times, instead of saying chow chowlis, just say chavalis. Okay, so that's done. But now once the number goes above 50, right? The 50, the 4 series, I'm talking about this 4 series row. Whenever it was having less than 50, we discussed that we are going to use the direct name. So that's why we use bees, chow bees, then chauntis, then chaulis, and chavalis we used, right? Now it's going above 50. So if it's going above 50, you are not going to use the real name, you're going to use the made up names. Okay, that is the series countings names for it. So this is chow and 1. And here, this 50 series is the only thing that you have to remember. Like it has one and puns together, right? So just practice it 2-3 times, just keep listening it, and you will know which ones to use one and which ones to use pun. So yeah, within one or two practices, I think it should come for you. So now where were we were talking about the force. So why I'm telling this thing is, here we are not going to no longer going to use this pachas, that is the main name of it. We are going to use the made up one and pun here, so it become chawan. Okay, and now again let's see 64. 6, we have to read it from back. So 4 is chow, and 60, the made up name is sat. So chaun sat, you got it. Then again now 74. 4 is nothing but chow, and 7 is the made up name is Hatar. So chow Hatar. You got it? Then 84. What is 84? 4 is chow and 80 is Asi. So here both are same. So you're using chaurasi. Okay. And again this R has come to, it's a facilitator. So chow Asi, chaurasi. You just keep telling it fastly to become chow Asi, chaurasi. Right? Can you hear that? So yeah, that's how that came there. And 94 is like yeah, 4 refers to chow, and 90 is called as yanwei in the made up name. So chow yanwei, chow plus yanwei becomes chauranwei. You got it? So that became like that. So now you would have got an understanding over here, like What is that? So below 50, you should say it as ik, ba, and te. And above 50, you're saying ik, ba, and tir, with the exception of 73, which is ti, hatar. Remember it that way. Okay, so now that is done, right? And now come to which one? Yeah, so now come to the sixth row, right? The sixth, the numbers that ends with 6. Again, 6 has a pattern which says always use the cha sound for 6, right? After 16, see, you're saying chabbis. Yeah, chabbis. Okay. And then we're saying chattis. Okay. But after 36, right? From 46 to 96, that instead of saying cha, we'll say chi. We'll say chi, and then chi plus talis becomes chialis. It's a facilitator again, and that comes only with practice. Okay. And the exception is only this one. Okay. So from 46 through 96, you're going to say with the sound of chi for sixes. Okay. Exception is chappan, which is 56. Okay. And now 66 is again more than, yeah, it is in the 46 to 56, 46 to 96 range. So 6 refers to chi here, right? Chi and then sat. So chi sat is chia sat. Okay. Chi hattar is chia hattar. Can you see that? You're always putting a chia over there. You got it? Yes, chia sat, chia hattar. Then chia plus asi is chiasi. Then chia plus yanvi is chianvi. You got it? So that's how that happens. And now if you see in all the series after, I mean from here itself you can see. We got 20. This is the main name B's, and the made up name was E's. So all the 9 numbers will be expressed in terms of the made up numbers as un. That is un means like un is. I'm assuming it's before, so that's why it's called un. So un is. You got it? Before 20. Like that they're expressing. And 30, so 29 will be before it. So untis. And 40, 40. So before that number 9 should be called as un, and they will use the made up name. So untalis. And since they have two names here, Van and Pan, they came up with a new name called Chas. So they said Pachas before is Unchas, 49. Then here the made up name is only one. So Unsat, then Unhattar, then Unasi. So Unyasi they made it. And this one. But 89 and I mean, what is this one? Yeah. 89. Oh, my copying. I am not written correctly. Okay, give me a second. So yeah, 89 and 99 are little different. Why I have not highlighted it? Why they don't have un means they are not expressed in terms of before numbers. If you can see here all, they used 80, they're expressed in terms of the before, like before 80, before 70, like that they're expressed. But 89 and 99 are expressed as after 80. 99 is expressed as after 90. So here 89 will be expressed in terms of this one only. So 9 is no, as you know. So no and asi becomes navasi. And 99 here, sorry, this is 89. If I'm sorry if I made a mistake. So it will be 89 is no asi. So navasi. And this one 99 is, yeah, 99 is no and yanve. So no yanve will become nin yanve. So that is also peculiar. But yeah, so I hope I was able to explain in a way you can understand, and might have made it easy for you. So yeah, thanks for watching. Have fun reading. Thank you.